Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to get any transcript from any YouTube video. So first of all, you just have to open the YouTube here and then just open any YouTube video. After opening any YouTube video, you just have to go down and open the description box here, and then if you go down, you'll find there's an option called show transcript here. So you just need to click on show transcript, and in the right corner you will find transcript of this video. As you can see, you can scroll through this here, so you will see this timestamp of all the things that had been said in this video. So if you want to turn this off, you just have to click on this three dot menu and just click on this toggle timestamps, and as you can see, all the timestamp has been gone. And if you want all this transcript of this video, you can just copy it and use it for your own purpose. So that's it guys, this is how you can get any transcript from any video in YouTube here. So if you found this video helpful, please subscribe to this channel, and thank you for watching.